Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT for script writing. So here's how to effectively use ChatGPT for script writing. So the point is that you will just define the purpose, clearly outline the type of script you need. Example on you will just write script writing on YouTube videos, short film and ads promotional, and you will just provide specific like generate a tone or audience. So you will just provide a context, share the main idea, character or key points. And for example, if I just give them command to I need 3 minute YouTube script for tech review channel discussing the iPhone 15 features. So I will just give them command. I need a 3 minute YouTube script for tech review channel discussing the iPhone 15 features. So I will just make them correct. So I will just give them a command to chat GPT and let's see the answer. So here you will see it will create a script for me. So here's a 3 minute YouTube script for a tech review channel discussing the iPhone 15 features. So opening a camera fade in background music fades down. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel name. You will just mention the channel name, whatever you. And today we are diving into Apple's latest innovation, the iPhone 15. Is is it worth upgrading? Let's find out. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews. So introduction, you will just Apple has just dropped the iPhone 15 and it's packing some serious features from the new design to perform boost. Let's go over everything you need to know. So here you will see there are some create sessions for your, and in the closing you will just say you will just introduction of your music fades up, channel logo appears, and the script should work well for a quick and engaging 3 minute review. So that's it. So in this way you can use ChatGPT for script writing for your YouTube channels or your film promotions. So that's it. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.